How to create stickers in WhatsApp. So to start, we'll have to open our WhatsApp account, and then in here to create a sticker, what we need to do is to open first a conversation. So as an example, I'm going to open a conversation with my other account, and then in here to create a sticker, we'll have to tap on this sticker icon. After that, you will be given 4 options. In here, we'll have to tap on the 4th one. After that, you will now see this create option. Under that, you will see a lot of stickers that you can use, but if you want to create your own sticker, what we need to do is to tap on this create option. After that, you will be automatically redirected to your gallery. All you need to do is to select a photo that you can use for your sticker. So as an example, I'm going to use this cat photo. After that, it will automatically generate the sticker. As you can see in here, it automatically cut out the background of the photo. So to use this sticker, we'll have to tap on the send option. And as you can see, that sticker is automatically sent here on my conversation. If I want to view the sticker, simply tap on the sticker option. And as you can see, that sticker is automatically added here on the options. So that's how easy we can create stickers in WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.